in this subject, okay, we are going to talk about optimizing a Bing Ads campaign, okay, based
Mm-hmm.
on our previous data. So right now you have run this campaign at a $10 budget and you have spent almost like $149 on this campaign, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
um, and pretty much 775 clicks, right? In
Mm-hmm.
which you've got like 33 subscribers, which are pretty expensive. And but now we're going to optimize this campaign to get better results. So we will go to the uh, we will go inside the campaign, and let's go to the ad group, and we will go to the ads and extensions, and we are going to see which one of these is our winning ad copy. Okay, so let's go
Mm-hmm.
to ads and extensions, and this particular ad copy with 131 clicks is your winning ad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
um, because this is getting more impressions. You see impressions, 9,000 impressions. So this is the kind of ad copy that is attracting more people, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because this displayed 9,000 times and got 131 clicks. So if I just click here and find the ads based on the descending order, so this ad received 131 clicks, this ad receives 86 clicks, this one received 85 clicks. So any ad that received uh, clicks above 50, we are going to consider that ad as a winning ad. So that we can create a second campaign
Mm-hmm.
using all the winning ad copies and run
Okay.
more traffic. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the winning ad copies based on this. So we're going to, copy these ad copies, and we're going to create a second campaign based on this, right? Now
Yeah.
let's just go to the keyword section and let's see which keywords have been generating more traffic. Okay. So I'll just click, I'll go on the right hand side. Okay, sorry. Uh, just go on the right hand side. Now you see clicks, right, for
Mm-hmm.
based on the keywords. So if I click here, this will show me which keyword brought in the most clicks. So if you see that 96 clicks, now this metric is quite far away from the keyword section. So I will go to columns. I will go to modify columns, and I would like to bring the clicks column closer to selected columns, drag and drop. So the clicks column, okay, let's just
Okay.
call up clicks, right? So I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
drag this column at the top so that we can pretty much, you know, see the clicks and the keywords side by side. Make sense?
Yeah.
Right? And click apply. Save this set of columns. Okay, now we would be able to see the clicks. Now you see keywords and clicks, right? So,
Mm.
again, this keyword brought in 96 clicks. I won't go for this keyword though. Okay, so I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
remove this keyword because this is kind of irrelevant when it is on broad. So I will ignore this keyword. So careers, job listings, these are your winning keywords. Okay, which are bringing
Yeah.
in more clicks. We can use these keywords to get more opt-ins. Make sense?
Yeah.
So all the keywords that are bringing clicks, any keywords that are above 10, we can use those keywords. So we're going to create a combination of your winning ad copies and your winning keywords in the second campaign to get more subscribers. Make sense?
Yeah.
So this is something that we are going to do in our second campaign. Now, we, as this is the new interface of Bing Ads, which it has launched, so we, and it is giving more stuff like based on, demographic, we were only targeting ages above ages between 25 to 49. See that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rest was minus 90%. Based on locations, we were targeting. So we were targeting United States here, and based on devices, we were only targeting. We were targeting, you know, you've got like 709 clicks from smartphones and
Mm-hmm.
66 clicks from computers. You see, people check, even people use Bing ads, via smartphones more, right?
Mm.
So pretty much we need to optimize our landing page based on smartphones. So cool, cool, cool. So that being said, this is where I would like to finish this particular subject.